Move now. No, Joe, no, don't. Watch it again. Trouble again. Watch it again. Watch it again. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch it again. Watch it again. Right, one lady here. The sick beer, the down there, sir. Yeah, right now, the show is over for me. Just I try to make my way out, and I tell you. Yeah. The venue ram-packed. If you can tell from the drone shot, trust me, a whole heap of people come out, a whole heap of ladies. I'm telling you, Joe Bogdanovich, you did it. So this is just the end of the show for me. I just walk through and show you exactly what I go on after the show. This is actually the VIP section. Most of the people them have to come out a while ago because a whole heap of people get injured and things. So like myself, that's why me actually I move and I feel a serious pain in my foot. So I have to go move now. No, Joe, no. Watch it again, trouble again, watch it again. Watch it again, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch it again, watch it again. And nobody don't know what happened. People just run, bro. And nobody don't know what happened. Watch it. What is happening again? Watch out. And nobody don't know what happened. Watch out. What may I tell you now, man? Say? I can't tell her what I go on. See one lady that get hurt. See that girl that drop. Oh my word. And nobody don't know what happened. You see? The whole place just stampede out. You see me talk about? Right, so one lady here. Watch out, sir. Watch out. The lady here collapsed. We not even know which direction to go because we not even know what happened. What is happening? We don't understand. So this lady here dropped down. But I don't understand. Yo, this is so crazy, yo. The sick beer, the down there, sir. The sick beer, the down there, sir. I don't even know which way to go. I don't even know what happened. And I hurt me hip in a car, so I can't even run. What is that now? Watch out. Can't even tell her what happened. Yo, what is, brother? Watch out. On the ground. Everybody I try to remain calm, but we don't know what go on, brother. Okay, dog, somebody lose all them pants. Whole like pants. Me walk on a up. Jaja no. Can't even tell what happened. Ja. I just try to make my way out of venue. God no, because I listen to me. I'm not sure what I go on. I'm going to tell you that I hurt me hip star. God no. Can't do this. Me out.
Check.
Right, that's it. Camille no perform yet, and maybe a few artists no perform it, but I hit that to me. Me done. Can't do no more.
Is Sumfest. Turn up the microphone, please. Turn up the top. See that? I didn't want this one in that crowd.
Yes, you hear that?
At all. Yes, I'm just in a full food. The power to come one. Press me at the place and dance.
Me outside. Done, me done.
Before we bring on the artist, the outfit player that song ya. Everybody in here that believe in the Father must sit down. Press play. Skip it. Everybody. Praise the Lord. I go. Oh, what he has done. Oh, he has set my.
Enough people are make them way out, brother.
Sing. Skip it. I go. Big lion. He has done. Oh, the sing it again.
Jaja no.
I feel like
I don't like that end there. Oh, sorry, my friend.
The people that wear what he has. Somebody say, he has set your spirit free. He is like,
oh my God, my foot are hot.
praise the Lord. For he has for everybody in here.
Watch out.
Look for your neighbor.
All the fence tear down.
Look for your neighbor.
Look at the stampede. The stampede tear down the fence.
No man curse.
Rooty out of
Who
down. Watch
God
out.
bless. No man curse. Tonight.
Stampede root the fence out of ground, brother. Watch out.
Me want to preach to all the people that brought the hypocrite them in the crowd.
This is the direction where crowd a stampede from go straight towards the stage.
You see the people that the youth them can't rise.
I eat that for me.
Because when the youth them bust on the same one, and the people that will join the bandwagon, all who know say you're some road dancer. Put one hand in the sky. Put one hand in the sky. And my fire tonight. Is that every person here will give the youths a chance. Give the youths a chance to express themselves. Give the youths a chance to grow and to learn. Reggae Sumfest. Pray for it.
Jaja no.
Pray for it. Pray for it.
Great show, but I eat that for me.
Sumfest, Asia.
Some of us make my way out of the venue. Swear. I think so far this is the biggest stage show me ever attend to Blows and Skirt. Maddest. I don't know how all of them people are going to move. I probably have to just build back in my van a little bit. Because there's no way everybody are going, this crowd are going to move one time. It's not possible. Look there. There's no way. Oh, my hip kill me, bro. Oh, Jaja.
Anybody catch my age? 85 go. Now we get up out and go somewhere.
Sure. Oh, my word. Alright. Yo, I don't know how we are going to do this. We find vehicle and to leave. This is going to take me like maybe another 2 hours to leave. Also. This man was going. Jaja no. Not even want nothing to eat. Sorry, here.
It's okay. After all that,
oh my God.
That's like a hug.
That's why I leave. Me hip hurt me hip, man.
Eh?
Yeah, me slip between the iron. And I know me still don't know what happened.
Yeah, me neither, man.
You neither, right?
I think it's people that get crazy, you know, and
Jesus.
and then it creates that, you know.
Everybody just go crazy, running.
And we agreed that there were still Skeng and Tommy that were supposed to play.
Yeah,
right?
artists still leave. Tommy Lee still
So that's
perform.
why
Skeng the
everybody
performance.
leave, but because of the shit that happened.
Yeah, the trumpet, that's everybody leaving. Because we don't know exactly how I go on.
I hope that nobody gets hurt, man.
Me get hurt.
You got hurt? What happened to you?
My hip.
I'm happy I'm strong, you know?
Cheese and
Because
peas.
sometimes I stop the movement, you know?
We couldn't stop it.
No, like not
I
stop it.
about
One time we
1,000
were at the
people.
bar, you know, I was like, no man, I
It
don't.
was like 1,000 people. My G still a sell. I don't know.
When I say I stop, I mean I didn't fall, you know?
Oh yeah. Oh my word.
Because when you fall, it's like when people get on you and it's dangerous.
Which country are you from?
Belgium.
Oh man, welcome to Jamaica. Right now, just I try to get out of here. Sorry, my friend. Walk me, I go walk it. Walk me, I walk it. This will come like it's a video by itself, bro.
You have to go somewhere where we can't find.
Like, what was it like leaving Sumfest? Judge, I know. After the stampede. Yo. I don't even know where to go.
I can't believe I fucking did that shit. I'm so tired.
Because show are going good, man. When I tell you say show that going so good. Brilliant show. And then stampede. Jaja.
It's not crazy, like.
What's that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I always hear about stampede.
Just I try to make it to the parking lot. Swear to God. Just I go and show you the vibe same way as we walk to the parking lot. I'm a park far, you know, because I end up there at the VIP parking lot. So. My foot are hot, brother. But I can't say the show still a go on. But half of the people them a leave.
See me behind you. See me behind you.
I mean, I tell you, say the show active same way, you know, but nobody now stay. Everybody a leave. Judge, I know. I'm cross, sir. I'm walking on the road like a white line. No free. People still are trying to sell low. Why this are the aftermath, brother?
Water juice! Hot dog! We have the hot dog! Hot dog! Hot dog!
Try and make my way back now. Jaja.
Come on, go on. Oh my! You damaged your injury.
Tell us that the show did nice, you know, man. Yeah, man, that's your word, man. Let me just walk through here, so. Think we can get a better walk through here, so. I try to reach back the vehicle. Yo, mad tired. And me I feel pain. Yo, me hip a mad me. Where all of this water come from? Yo. This is crazy, brother. So it's at the Mega Mark parking lot where I walk through. Right now I try to leave the venue. I know I can't come out of this venue or for now. So better me just try to stay in the van and lie down and take a 5 because now I'm going to move. And this now going to run off easy to the amount of people. But all I can say congratulations to Sumfest, Joe and the whole crew. The show shot. Venue rammed to capacity.
No, usually they put the one over right before the one.
I don't even know which part we're walking on. I shut the bus, make the forward part, so I'm not even know if there's a gate around us or something. But I just try to move out one gate or so. Hold on. One's supposed to be at the gas station. I can't get out now. So I talk about everywhere block up, nobody now move, nothing can move. So might as well me just building a vehicle. Watch it. Cheese and peas. They are gonna light up before this traffic here. Get a chance to move. I tell them. It doesn't even make sense. We're going away. Watch it. Road block up. If you go, come everywhere. Look at this. Jaja. But yeah. Hope you enjoy the whole vibe, the whole Sumfest. Now. Not even sure how I'm going to release the videos then, but I'm not going to do it. Jaja no. So right now, I almost reached the VIP spot. So yeah man. So yeah, massive Sumfest was really nice, but my foot, brother, oh my word, I just want to rest it and come off right now. Slip, crowd push, shove my foot straight through the iron, the people them just a forward, foot did stuck. I have to climb up on the thing where the man have the crane pan and sitting, so try to reach the van. You know, but big up everybody who watch the video. I'm going to just drop this here so I can see exactly what's going on, you see? So, a mad move, man. Peace. I'm tired. I feel pain. Just want to reach me a big load. So, I'm going to big up, respect Sumfest 2025. It was great, but the ending, boy, rough. The ending, not a good look at all. See that? There's nowhere these vehicles are going right now, no way. So all I'm going to do is just stay in the van. Yeah, my teacher. Show great, you know, but I tell you, the stampede a while ago kind of mash up everything, bro. Right now, foot are stuck in one eye and mash up on me hip and I not even know what happened. Like you see big people just yeah, and then it happened again. Just like I say, I go and chill. I tell you, man, I try to come and fight. Blouse and skirt. So massive, big up and I feel some pain. I can't never done a video good, but big up every time. Respect.